How to add a second y-axis to graphs in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, let's start by adding graph. Select your data and click on Insert at the top. Here, select the graph you want. I'm simply selecting 2D line. In the 2D line, you can simply double click on the lines in the middle, right click on it and click on Format Data Point. After you've clicked on Format Data Point in here, you'll find this kind of screen. Simply click on Secondary Axis, which is the second option. After you do this, you'll find secondary y-axis in your graph in Excel. This is how to add a second y-axis to graphs in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.